Smartphones keep getting faster, but let's be real, most of them are fragile toys. One bad drop, a splash of water, or even a long gaming session, and they are toast. In 2025, rugged phones are built like tanks and run like flagships. We are talking massive batteries that power marathon gaming nights, ultra-smooth displays with high refresh rates, and processors built to crush lag in the toughest titles. And the best part? They are not just unbreakable, they are designed for gamers who want performance anywhere, whether on the job site, out in the wild, or at home grinding their favorite game. Stick around until the end, because one of these phones packs a gaming feature you will not believe, and it might just be the ultimate rugged phone for 2025. All the product links with updated prices and details are waiting in the description. Tank 4 Pro. Tank 4 Pro is one of the most advanced, rugged smartphones of 2025, built for gamers and power users who need unbreakable durability and flagship-level performance. Priced at $770, it justifies its cost with features that go far beyond the ordinary rugged phone. One of its standout innovations is the built-in 100-lumen DLP projector with 1280 by 720 resolution. It supports autofocus and keystone correction, letting you project movies, documents, games, or presentations onto a larger surface. This transforms the phone into a portable entertainment and work hub, freeing you from the limits of a small display. Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 83005G chipset with dual-core acceleration, paired with a massive 36GB of RAM, 18GB physical, and 18GB virtual, and an incredible 1TB of internal storage. If that is not enough, storage expands up to 2TB with a TF card. Running on Android 14, it delivers global 5G network support, seamless multitasking, and stable gaming even under heavy load. For visuals, the Tank 4 Pro features a 6.73-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200. It delivers IMAX-level clarity, making every detail in your games sharp and vibrant. With up to 1800 nits of peak brightness, it stays visible even in direct sunlight, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and high frame rate gameplay for a competitive edge. Battery endurance is another strength. It carries an 11,600 mAh cell, giving you long hours of non-stop gaming or streaming without needing to recharge. When you do, the 120-watt fast charger powers it up in record time. Outdoor functionality is enhanced with a powerful 1200 lumen camping light that offers reliable brightness for night adventures, repairs, or emergencies. Alongside it are built-in warning lights that provide critical alerts when safety matters most. The camera system is versatile and powerful. A 50-megapixel main lens captures crisp and detailed shots, while the 64-megapixel night vision camera reveals what most phones cannot see in the dark. There is also a 50-megapixel telephoto lens for distant subjects and a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. For rugged protection, the Tank 4 Pro offers full 360-degree defense. Certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, it is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, built to survive harsh conditions and rough handling. This makes it a trusted companion for outdoor sports, construction work, and extreme environments. It supports T-Mobile and Verizon carriers, giving you reliable 5G connectivity in supported regions. DOOGEE Fire 7. DOOGEE Fire 7 is a rugged 5G smartphone designed for people who need power, endurance, and toughness, priced at $360. This device is a total game changer for anyone who is always on the go and maybe a little clumsy with gadgets. It comes with blazing fast 5G connectivity powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor and Android 15. Whether you are streaming, downloading, or gaming, the connection stays smooth and reliable even in demanding areas where Wi-Fi is weak. That means streaming safety tutorials on the job site, sending large project files, or playing online games all without buffering or lag. The Fire 7 is backed by a massive 13,000 mAh battery that lasts for days. It supports 18-watt fast charging to get you powered back up efficiently, and with OTG reverse charging, it can keep your smaller devices like smartwatches or Bluetooth earbuds running when you need them most. Performance is supported with 16GB of RAM, made up of 4GB physical plus 12GB extended, along with 256GB of storage that expands up to 2TB with a microSD card. This ensures smooth multitasking lag-free gaming, and enough storage for offline maps, videos, and your entire media library. The camera system is versatile with a 64-megapixel AI main camera, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 16-megapixel front camera. From outdoor adventures to everyday moments, the rear camera captures sharp and detailed shots, while the front camera ensures clear selfies and crisp video calls anytime. For visuals, the Fire 7 features a 6.6-inch HD plus IPS display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid, scrolling is smooth, and the viewing area is wide enough for both gaming and streaming. The rugged protection is just as strong, certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, making it waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant. Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is a powerhouse rugged smartphone that blends extreme durability with next-level entertainment. At $700, it is built for gamers, professionals, and outdoor adventurers who need toughness and flagship performance in one device. It comes with a built-in 150 lumen projector running at 854 by 480 resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate, letting you project movies, presentations, or even live gameplay directly onto a big screen. Pair it with a game controller, and suddenly your rugged phone becomes a portable gaming console. Power is where this phone truly dominates. The massive 25,500 mAh battery offers up to 1,380 hours of standby time, while 66-watt fast charging pushes it from 0 to 90% in just about 1.5 hours. It also doubles as a power bank thanks to OTG reverse charging, making it essential for long expeditions or workdays off the grid. Performance is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 built on a 4nm process, reaching clock speeds up to 2.5 GHz. With 32 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB, it easily handles multitasking, demanding apps, and high-end gaming without breaking a sweat. Both the CPU and GPU deliver the boost you need for fluid gameplay and smooth streaming. Its triple camera system features a 50-megapixel main lens with a large 1/1.31-inch sensor for sharp daytime shots, a 64-megapixel night vision camera for complete darkness, and a 32-megapixel front camera for crystal-clear selfies and video calls. Whether day or night, this rugged phone is ready to capture it all. The display is a 6.95-inch full high-definition plus flexible screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth visuals and reduced motion blur. With peak brightness up to 600 nits, visibility remains clear even under direct sunlight, ideal for gaming outdoors or working on-site. Built for survival, the Armor 34 Pro delivers rugged durability with IP68 protection and a built-in 1100 lumen camping light that projects powerful beams over long distances. Perfect for night work, outdoor adventures, or emergency use. It's both practical and powerful. Connectivity is equally solid, offering dual 5G SIM support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and global network compatibility with most carriers including T-Mobile and Metro PCS, though not AT&T or Cricket. These are the gaming beasts of the rugged world. Phones built to survive drops, dust, and water, while giving you the speed, visuals, and battery life to dominate any match. If you are tired of fragile phones overheating and dying mid-game, one of these rugged smartphones could change the way you play. Which one impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I always check them out. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss the next big gaming review. All the updated deals and product links are waiting in the description. Until next time, game hard, stay rugged, and keep winning.